Welcome back, art lovers. Today, we have an exciting drawing tutorial for you. In this video, we will be learning how to draw the upgraded Titan Drillman from the Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. Let's get started. First, draw a big oval shape for the body. Make sure it's nice and round. This will be the base for our Drillman. Next, let's draw the head. Create a smaller oval shape right above the body. And now, let's add the facial features. 2 big eyes in the center, a triangle-shaped nose, and a wide grin for that confident expression. Great job! Moving on to the arms and the torso. On each side of the body, draw 2 straight lines. Then, add some curved lines to give them a 3D effect. These will be the muscular arms of our upgraded Titan Drillman. Let's continue by drawing the Drillman's signature drill. Start by drawing a large cone shape on top of the head. Then, add some small details, like the drilling mechanism and the teeth. Make sure to add some bolts and nuts for extra detail. Now, let's finish off the drawing by adding some texture and details to the body and arms. Draw some lines and patterns to give it a mechanical look. And there you have it. your very own upgraded Titan Drillman from the Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. I hope you had fun following along with this drawing tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and happy drawing.